So 9 Miles Project is a social venture where we create safe spaces and offer skills development for youth at risk in coastal communities in South Africa. So young people come to these safe spaces and they come not knowing identity, not having confidence in themselves, not really dreaming in life or anything like that. And here at the project we give them purpose, we give them the tools to succeed in life.
But this was one of the boards that was made on the project with 9 Miles Kids. We made 4 boards and all 4 of them were used to raise money to buy a minibus so kids from this organisation can get to and from their clubhouse. When Triton Tools heard about this project, they decided they wanted to buy one of these boards and give it back to the guy that made it. His name is Faik, and we're now going to present this board to you. Triton Tools. I'm here to present your surfboard to you. Sure, there you go.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to catch more great content put out by Triton Tools.